Welcome to the Fem Prepper channel, where women come to get information to be more prepared. In this video, we will go over the Maxpedition Mini Pocket Organizer. These organizers are really popular in the prepper community. They come in a few different sizes. They have a beefy size, they have a fatty size, they have an EDC size, they have a skinny size, they have the mini, and then they have the micro. This one is the mini. I like this particular size because it's small enough to put in your pocket should you need just a small little organizer with some pins, maybe some chapstick, some little first aid kit, you know, just little smaller items that might get lost within your backpack or in your purse. And if you just need to take this and go really quickly, it will easily fit in a pocket. The material of these pocket organizers are a 1050 denier water and abrasion resistant lightweight ballistic nylon fabric. They also have YKK zippers and zipper tracks, and it is coated with the Teflon fabric protector. The dimensions of this pocket organizer are length 4 inches, width 1 inch, and height 6 inches. They come in 5 different colors. They come in a black option, they come in an OD green option, which is this one. They come in a khaki option, which is this one. Comes in a wolf gray, which is this one. And it also comes in a foliage green, which is the only color option I do not have. They all have molly webbing on the back. Now let's go over the inside compartment. The inside compartment has 2 areas in the back to stick items in on both sides. It has a hook. I like to attach a whistle to this, but you can attach whatever you like. It also has a hook up here to be able to attach items to. This side has a larger webbing compartment, and it has 3 smaller ones in the front of it. On this side, it has 2 webbing compartments instead of 1 large one. And each one of these 2 have 2 compartments in front for the webbing. In the front, you also have a Velcro pocket. Now, I'll give you a pro tip. You might want to fill this section up first, because if you pack this pocket organizer to the brim, it will be pretty full and it will be hard to get anything in the front. It also has the hook and loop options for patches, and it has 2 zippers. I really enjoy this size of pocket organizers. It's not too big, it's not too small. You can use them for a fire kit. I'll show you the inside of each color. This green is really pretty to me. And here's the khaki. A much lighter color option. And here is the wolf gray, what it looks like on the inside. In the comments below, let me know if you have this particular size of pocket organizer from Maxpedition, and let me know what type of items you keep in it. Also, if I have inspired you to go out and purchase this particular pocket organizer, let me know in the comments as well. If you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.